Welcome to this video on how to do your homework with ChatGPT and make money with that. If you're a student looking for a way to make some extra cash or an entrepreneur looking for a new business idea, this video is for you. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can use ChatGPT to help you with your homework and turn it into a profitable business. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to help with homework. ChatGPT is a powerful language model trained by OpenAI that can answer questions, provide explanations, and even write essays. To use ChatGPT for your homework, simply visit a platform that provides access to the model, such as GPT-3 Playground or Hugging Face. Then, enter your homework question and let ChatGPT generate an answer or explanation for you. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Identifying your target audience is an important step in turning your ChatGPT-powered homework help into a business. Here are some examples of potential target audiences. High school or college students who need help with specific subjects like math, science, or literature. Parents who want to provide homework help to their children, but may not have the knowledge or expertise to do so. Adult learners who are returning to school and need help with academic writing or research. To identify your target audience, think about who would benefit most from your services and where they might be looking for help. Consider their age range, educational level, and geographic location. You can also use online surveys or market research tools to gather data and insights on your potential clients. Step 4. Market your services. Marketing your homework help services is crucial to attracting clients and growing your business. Here are some tips for effective marketing. Remember, effective marketing is all about reaching the right audience with the right message.